Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. You outdid yourself. 255 views in under 20 hours is the best I've ever done in my life. So here it is, part 2 of the Samsung Galaxy Fold review. We're going to be more specific this time, talking about the case, the gigs of RAM, which is currently sitting at 8, the keyboard and how it's split into 2 parts and how you can change this in the settings, the battery life and how long the producers say compared to the actual day-to-day usage of the phone, and how the Huawei Fold will compare to this Fold now that it's in my hands. So let's get to it, people. Alright, first off, the case. So let's just imagine this scenario. You're holding it and you're watching a YouTube video. You really like watching this YouTube video, and then you're like, you know what? I want to stand this up. I don't want to hold it looking at the screen. How do you do it? Can't do it like that because it just folds all over the place. The only known way to do that with the case is this. You don't want to do this. Because if you see, you can just have a massive line down your screen. That is not good. Because say you're watching a video that all focuses on the middle, and you just have this massive line in your screen. This is going to be irritating, isn't it? Right. One other thing. This, how you open it. People would say just press the power button, but the easiest way to open it, double tap. It didn't work the first time. Why didn't it work? There you go, now it worked. You have to double tap it with your thumb, so just go with like, and obviously you got the power button, fingerprints button. I said that in the other video, but that's how you turn the middle screen on. 6 cameras, obviously, like I said in the other video. And now let's talk about the gigs of RAM. Currently it's sitting at 8. I think that's pretty good for the size of the phone. To be honest, the front isn't that big. So 8 gigs of RAM, you're going to get somewhere out of this. And I'm not entirely sure, to be honest, where you place the SD cards. I have no idea. Maybe you can't maybe there's no way to get an SD card in. That's the charging cable. It's weird how you have it, like, it's easier to charge it in phone mode because it's like regularly if you had this as a genuine phone, even though it's a bit long, but if you had this as a genuine phone, you are playing with it and you need to charge it, that's where you would normally charge it, but obviously it can fold into a tablet and it goes on the side. Alright. To be honest, 8 is enough for this phone. Obviously, I'm not sure how, but you can get data into this phone, 20 gigs, something like that, 25 even, and you can just enjoy this phone like a normal phone. Now, the keyboard. The keyboard is currently, you can change this in the settings, but it's mainly split into 2 parts. You can change this in the settings to have it together, but it's kind of like a fun idea because it's a fold, and if you you got one side of the keyboard and the other side of the keyboard. That is also very, very cool. I feel like that is cool. The battery life. The producers, Samsung, say that lasts for 2 days, and yeah. But on the day-to-day usage, I use this a lot, and my dad uses a lot. This is my dad's phone, forever commented that. He didn't give it to me, I just made a video on it because I thought, you know what, it's a new phone, it's gonna get some views. But yeah, the battery life, the producers Samsung say it's gonna be 2 days. But on the day-to-day usage, a couple of phone calls, some texts maybe, you're gonna get at least 50% down through like 7 hours, tested by me. Yes. Number 5, how the Huawei will compare to it. The Huawei folds on the outside. This is like a bad mistake because there's no known way how you can protect the front phone, because if you fold it on the outside, there's no known way to protect it. Well, actually no, that's the Samsung phone. Aha. The Huawei folds on the inside, meaning that you have your phone there and your tablet there. I don't know much about the Huawei phone. I don't know much about it, that'll be for another video where I explain it. Obviously, I can't get it because I spent all my money on this. Well, my dad spent all of his money. I'm going to do some more tech reviews soon, uploading every day. This is going to be the main part of my channel because it's just blowing up in views. And I will see you later. Goodbye. Like, subscribe, and comment. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll jump in the sea. But I'll see you later. Bye.